Hello friends, today we can now about rules of making complete our MBA. You can check on the picture. This is the website. There can update daily rules about the MBA program in all colleges in the world, all universities in the world. You can check this website and visit this website and then going to complete the all rules and then admission the all this MBA program. So that will have an international. Yes, when you can join this program, you join age total of our 30 nationality and the driver range of professional in the class of under 100 participants who can business trapped and around and sold international network to truly global experience. This is the first one of rule. You can check out the first rule is that is the you can other nationality of about of USA. You can 30 other countries can participate this MBA program. And rule number two is the maximum rule and the just 9 months. Our unique 10-month program is ranked. It is one of the top 10 in the world for return in STEM. You will have a for your MBA in hand and in under a year, ready to take the next step and your profession journey. This is the rule number two. You can just complete your MBA program in 10th month. This is time turn to away, but because you can complete a big, I think very big achievement in the just in 10 months. You can register now in your program and going to complete your MBA just in 1 year, not complete 1 year, just 2 months loss and just 10 months you can complete your MBA program. This is the University of Harvard in USA. You can check in the picture. This is the best university in the world. I think it is the best university because this is some of the greatest teachers in there and also some of the greatest students complete their MBA from there. This is the best student, especially tracks and global trips. Yes, this is the global program MBA. You can check the global MBA program offer a choice to for separation of tracks losing 1 month. You can 1 week international business trip to Istanbul, Indonesia. This is the first most beautiful. It is the time to take your career in new place. Yes, I think I also tell you it is the time you take your career in the new place. If you can want to join this program, so register now and going to daily basis complete your program and just 10 months program you can complete your program. Then you can going to one of the business manager in the world. You can best manager in the world, I think. So you can now start up register your files today and going to complete your MBA and about this you can also read this in website. You get a time to take your choice in the new place. This is a very big website. This is a big article. I cannot read it because it is the time is short for us. So you can also go here. I can give me link in in description. You can check this link and then come here and read this programs and this is the other things. So you can also check other things in there. So come here and check your website, this website, and check your MBA program, 10th month program. How can I fees? How can I register? All things is there and in this website. You can come here and complete your program. So thank you very much to complete your MBA program and thank you very much to like our videos and thank you very much to subscribe our channel because if you subscribe my channel I will complete details about your education in the next in future. So you can thank you very much to also come to like us. Thank you.